this is into some like Apple earbuds. It's basically one of these, except with earbuds on the end. I was going to actually use them to rewind my headphones, but yeah, that's fucked. Thing is, I want to open one of these. Actually, before I do that, it'll focus. You may or may not notice it, but those pins, yeah, these pins are more of a silver color as opposed to let's show a side. As opposed to a more golden color. Yeah, I tried scraping the corrosion off of this because lightning cables suck because they love to, well, not focus. Oh, fucking hell, focus, you fuck! Holy shit. Oh, there we go. Yeah, basically, because of the way the lightning cable is designed, I'm guessing there aren't any actual pins, like in a micro B connector. So, I'm guessing all connectors spark. Yeah, all connectors are going to spark, but there's less material to go through, so it destroys it faster. That's my guess. Right. Okay, I think I'm actually getting somewhere, so if we zoom in even more and look through the phone for, at least it keeps me in frame. Positive. Yep. Yeah, if you kind of see that. And help autofocus out a little bit. Kind of pissed that stock camera app on iPhone doesn't allow you to fix the focus. Fucking bastards. I could. Is that? Focus. The seam. Oh, I think that is the seam. Let's try and apparently come down with Parkinson's. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if I just cut myself in some weird way. Yeah, I think that's probably shouldn't have zoomed out slightly. Maybe. No, I think that made the video slightly less. Oh my god, probably gonna cut myself in some very creative manner. More light. Reposition the light. Ooh, the light is warm because LEDs. Ooh. Ew. Ew, translator. Yeah, it's washed out. Ugh, come on. You know, supposedly top-end photography on mobile phones, softest side of kind of like the user and kind of the GUI and user and like experience kind of sucks ass. Where is? Even this mobile phone from 11 fucking years ago has more camera-based options than this modern smartphone. Actually, this is a smartphone. An early one, and mostly unusable because it can't connect to internet. But it is technically a smartphone. Okay, I think that's... I would prefer to not have to put this into my phone as some sort of vice/leverage point, because I would probably fuck something up. I'm talking about the phone. If you're thinking of what's being fucked up. Ooh, is that actually two things? Yeah. It's welded from two sides. And let me have some time. Yeah, this is taking a lot longer than expected. Anyway, holy shit. I was expecting myself to say something, but yeah, I couldn't think of something. The file might come in use later. If I can't pry this thing open using conventional violence. Maybe not legitimate violence. Maybe violence that isn't exactly... I'm probably gonna do my hand. But, you know, violence nonetheless. That is not the scene. Yeah, fuck this, to the file. See you in quite a while, unless I probably break out the drill. Bit of dremeling has revealed, well, has made that hole, I mean, slot, yes. Ooh, I see it doing something. Yes, good. Let the darkness flow within you. Hee hee. TikTok joke. I mean reference. Joke? You should probably find the charger for this. This thing's pretty much dead, and I have zero clue where the hell that charger is. Might just make a new one. The battery pack seems relatively simplistic in its wiring. I think that looks, oh my god. Fucking hell. Holy shit. I have like a cheaper thing called a Drill Master. That's basically a knockoff drill. Or generic drill thing. thinking about shoving this USB cable up its ass. That might be useful. Anyway. Yeah, it's fucking 1652. Holy shit. Sorry if I go off shot. Let me relax a bit. Yeah, let's... Ooh, voila. This thing's jam-fucking-packed. Jam-packed full with weird things. Damn. Well, that's interesting. Now, I wonder if it still gets recognized as a headphone thing. Let me go check that. And the answer is, I have no idea because, this thing didn't get recognized until I plugged something into it. So this might be doing the same thing. I have zero clue. But yeah. How peculiar. Yeah. Yeah, that was definitely worth it.